Watching, Edward here. Now, I'm going to share a platform that you can join right now, not even have to spend any money at all, not even have to spend monthly fees or anything, and start making money simply by watching YouTube videos. Guys, you're watching my YouTube video right now. You could be making money by watching the same video on this platform. All you have to do is just to sign up from the link below, put your name, your email address, and then put your Bitcoin wallet, and then click join. And you'll be able to verify your email address, and you'll be in on the back office, and you can start watching videos, YouTube videos, just like what you're doing right now. Wouldn't you rather be watching a video like this and actually getting paid to do it? Okay, you can get on board. You don't have to spend money. You can join right now and never really have to necessarily spend any money. Certainly not monthly fees. Guys, it's your choice. All right, you can get on board right now and join as a free member and start earning Bitcoin. Okay, it's as simple as that. And simply by joining today, start watching videos today, and you could be making money today. All right. But what I also love about this platform is not only is it centered around video content and watching videos and then making money, it's also about advertising. I'm actually very, very passionate, as many of you know. I'm always uploading methods and tips and ideas on how to advertise all your businesses in one place. I'm always looking for methods on how to not only generate an income for yourself, but also how to advertise your businesses on platforms that will give you quality advertising. And that's exactly what this platform will do for you. Check this out, guys. You can get paid to simply watch YouTube videos, up to $210 per video. All right, so that's up to 150% return on investment. Turn every $1 into $1.50. So really, really good platform. I'm using it already. I've had a chance to chat with my sponsor, who I've known for a very long time, Harry, and he's based in Ireland. And we can get with you guys. We can help you with this platform. But it's a simple platform that you can either add to your portfolio of income streams. The thing I like about this is that everybody needs advertising. Okay, I don't care what your main or primary businesses are. If you're really serious about advertising your business, this is a great platform. So let me ask you a few questions, guys. And if you say yes to any of these questions, you'll love this platform. First of all, are you looking to make money? Okay. Now, you may be focused on other businesses. You may be focused on your primary businesses and I get that. Me too. All right. I'm using this as a way to promote my own Minerva business and my other businesses that I'm involved in. Okay, I'm using this. I've got my three main income streams. All right, I want to put those businesses onto this platform. I'm always recommending ways to advertise your business. That's what I love about this platform, because I can advertise my primary businesses on this platform and not have to spend money. Okay, that's what we're looking for. I know a lot of people out there are actually spending money to do what we're doing here. But here you don't actually necessarily have to spend money in order to advertise your business, and you'll be making money at the same time. Okay, simply by watching videos. All right, you're watching a video right now, guys. If you watch the same video on this platform, you'd be making money right now. Okay, so get on board. Check this out. Check out the video, the website below. Check out what we've got here, guys. We've got a great way to earn money even without having to spend any money necessarily. Okay, but we've got advertising opportunities for you to scale things up, to advertise to a wider audience, to get on board with a platform that can allow you to leverage up your Bitcoin and earn a daily income, even without necessarily having to build a team. But we've also got a very powerful referral program that you can earn on the people that you bring into your team. So, guys, you're going to love this platform. If you're serious about making money, if you're serious about running your businesses, if you've got primary businesses that you want to advertise, I highly recommend getting onto this platform right now. Get started, because it's all centered around YouTube. It's all centered around video content, advertising your videos. But if you don't have videos to advertise, that's fine. You could be you could be just joining this program and just simply watching other people's videos. You can use the credits that you earn to either withdraw Bitcoin, or you can use the credits just to advertise your other businesses. All right, you don't have to have your own video content in order to advertise a business. You can use other people's content, maybe your sponsor, someone in your line of support, someone who else, some other person in your company who's produced some nice videos. Maybe your corporation, the company that you're promoting, has a YouTube channel that you can use some of their videos to put onto here. Any video will work with this platform. Okay, but if you haven't got anything to advertise, that's fine. Okay, just put on any video. All right, let's build this platform anyway, because the more videos that we have on this platform, the more people are going to be flooding into this platform, either through your link so that you get paid, or through someone else's link. And the more people that be adding good video content to this platform, the more exciting, the more fun. I'd like to be on this platform more than I'm on YouTube, for example, because if I can watch the same kind of videos I like to watch on YouTube, I'd rather have those same videos on this platform so that I can get paid at the same time. All right, just simply by doing exactly the same what I normally do on YouTube. All right, and I'm watching videos on Facebook, I'm watching videos on all kinds of different sites. That's what people do nowadays. So wouldn't you rather get onto this platform, start earning money? So guys, click the link below. What you do is you click the link below, you get onto this page, you just simply join here, and when you get onto the join page, you put a chosen username here, you put your email address, you choose a password, you confirm your password, and most importantly guys, you put your Bitcoin wallet, because you want to get paid, and then confirm that, and then register. Okay, you check your email, you'll get an email, and you confirm your account. Then you go in, you can start watching videos, you can go through and familiarize yourself with the back office. I look forward to working with you guys. I'm very excited about this because I want to advertise my business. I also want to make money as well. And what better platform that could there be if you could actually join for free and do all this 100% without necessarily having to spend any money. And all you have to do is just simply get on the platform, start watching videos, and you can be making money even without having to spend money, and even without having to build a team. Okay, so no need to spend money to make money, and you don't even have to build a team either. Okay, so get on board, do what you normally do on YouTube or other platforms, but do it on this platform and simply get paid for it. All right, just get paid to watch videos. Okay guys, I look forward to working with you. Thanks for coming on board, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.